Hey, homeboy. See, this is a real life alien right here. UFO. No buts about it. They've inhabited my life since the middle of May. I'm getting to know this one pretty good. I'm fucking naming and getting to know UFOs, and which I want. I want to be able to communicate with them. And it's crazy because the government is here with their drones. They showed up like right after I reported this shit. And do they tell me anything? No. Do they tell my family, oh, what's going on? No. Instead, they just bring their drones and go and they circle the lake all night. Watch, they'll pop up any day, any minute now. But this guy, I think he's put here to watch me for some reason. I don't know what the fuck, but I'm the only one that these guys come to. Or, I don't know. I don't fucking know, but they only are over my house. And I swear the government thinks I'm an alien or something, like communicating with them somehow. I don't know, but it's just a fucking, you can't make this shit up. You know? You can't make this up. It's like, why would I make this up? What am I getting out of it? Come on, man, stop shooting to, he always pulls to the right. And there's that orb. I got a gentleman, I forgot his name, sorry my man. But he had a good explanation for the orb. But you see, it goes all over the place though. It's all the way on the left right now. But yeah, it's cool. It's like fucking 2 in the morning. Nice and quiet. Except for that fucking cricket. God damn, the thing does not shut up, does he? I wonder if that's his mating call. See, yeah, I just changed the angle of my camera, and now the orb, I can't even say what it is. I don't remember it. But I see what he's talking about. How it's going in front of where I'm aiming it at the UFO. See, I turn the camera, and that it goes in the direction I turn my camera. I see what he's saying. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Like I said in the comment, there's one less alien I have to worry about. I just think the government's just being so creepy about the whole thing, you know? They came, and when I started going to the store, I said, fuck it, it's too cold. And I don't know if you guys saw the video. I turned around, and the government was following him, following me to the store. And it's like, they're flying low to the lake now, and putting off like a blast of bright light, trying to do what these guys do. It's like, what are they, trying to fake me out now or something? I just don't get it. I told them I don't go over my property, because that's an invasion of my First Amendment right to privacy. They're over right directly overhead of my property all the time. I can't do that. Even if it is alien research, still. I'm not even zoomed in on him. Watch. I zoom in, he goes fucking invisible. That's zoomed in on him. Nah, maybe he doesn't. See, this one's cool. They know me. And I guess they like me, and that's why they follow me when I go out. Who knows what they do in the daytime? They might be up there following me around, doing whatever I do. But, yeah, I just thought I'd come out for a cigarette. I can't get the moon when I'm zoomed in. I want to get them both. I got to unzoom so much. I'm way too zoomed in. That's good right there, huh? Yeah, it was a nice little chat with my alien. I like that. So, I think I'm gonna call it a night. So I just put up a couple videos. They're good too. You definitely gotta watch them. Every time I go to the store, it's always a shit show. But like I said, it was too cold riding a bike. I can't drive in Massachusetts. Long story, but I can drive in any other state. I have a surgery that I'm just waiting to happen. Then I'll probably be bolting. I'm wondering if these guys are gonna follow me. That would be interesting, huh? So, Crazy Bill, aka Vasilious, out. Thank you. This is a continuation from a couple hours ago when I had a cigarette. It's weird how he's the only one out here. It is an overcast night. It's like damp. Yeah. He's just sitting here. He's sitting here to watch me. Like, he's the one that followed me to the store. You know? Who knows where the government ones are? Yeah, I'll zoom in a little bit. I bet he goes into invisible mode. No? Got a better look at him zooming in, huh? I liked having the moon in the picture though. But see how he's like a triangle. A triangle of really bright white lights. That only they can generate those kind of lights and stay up in the air that long. We don't have that technology. I mean, if a drone, one of our drones tried to have that much light, the batteries would be, whatever, would be dead in a second. These guys are just kicking it like stars. That's a good picture right there, huh? How about this one? Bam. That's gonna be a good thumbnail. Let me zoom in some more. Oops, I zoomed out. Yeah, he's here to watch me. Everywhere I go, he's right up there on me. It's nuts. All the other ones got sent home, I guess. They're all chilling on the moon. I think the moon is their home base. I've been watching a lot of stuff about the moon. And, you know, shit that I never knew. I never knew that science hasn't identified why we have a moon. They have theories, but none of them have been proven. You guys, I don't know if I have video of the moon going nuts at times when it's supposed to be a what do you call it, a wax crescent moon, and then looking through the camera it's like full crazy. I have video of it, but that's a natural full moon tonight. Let me get some go in a little bit. That's a good picture too. All three of them. Okay, I think I'm done for the night. I'm gonna put that with the other video I made earlier. So, Crazy Bill, Vasilious, over and out. You hear that up there? Not the